Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about unit number 3. So let's move on to start. So to get ready, I want you to do some exercise with me, very basic. So I will show you something and I will ask you, for example, this. Where is this flag from? Where is this flag from? This flag is from USA. So unit 3 is about where are you from? So now, second question. Where are these flags from? This flag is from Honduras. This flag is from Canada. So these flags are from America. So, very basic. So let me talk about the objectives of the class, just to make sure you are ready to understand the class. So let's move on. Students will be able to identify the difference between am, is, and are by practicing with question, where are you from? So that will be the basic question. Students will be able to write a sentence and questions with am, is, and are by doing an assessment. So you will be doing an assessment. Students will be able to describe people, places, and things with am and are by listening and practicing some examples. So those are the objectives I want you to meet. So let's move on to introduce the topic. So we're going to talk about where are you from? So there is a basic rule of using the verb to be. So in the case of a sentence, when I ask you, where are you from? As a first person, you will say, I am from Spain. As a second person, you are from England. As a third person, he is from Turkey. As a fourth, fifth, and sixth, we use are. So basically, the first and third person are different. So then the second, fourth, fifth, and sixth, the same. And some other examples. The negative form. So in the case of negative form, you just add the word not after the verb. For example, I am not from Spain. You are not from England. So that means that this is the negative form. In the case of a question, you just add the verb at the beginning and then the subject. I am from Spain. Are you from England? Is he from Turkey? So don't forget to put the question mark. Otherwise, it will be not a question. So let me show you a video to give you some other examples. Let's move on to the video here. So please pay attention to the video.
Listen and sing. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. It's nice to meet you. Hello, hello. Nice to meet you too. This is my friend. He's from the USA.
Hello, hello. How are you today? Where are you from?
I'm from. Hello, hello. How are you today?
Okay. So as you saw in the video, that was a very basic introduction from two people. I'm from Brazil. It's nice to meet you. Hello, hello. Nice to meet you too. This is my friend. He's my friend from USA. So very basic. So let's move on to another example. Let me show you the presentation again. So, hello, my name is Jose. I am from El Salvador. This is my friend, this is my friend, Mary. Mary is from France. She is 20 years old. So very basic. So this is some presentation. So it's a very basic introduction. So now I want you to do some practice. So you will work in a pair work. You will be doing mostly describing, and a good way to improve your language with this is describing. You can describe people, you can describe things, you can describe anything. So let's move to another example. I will give you the example number 2. I forgot to tell you that this is from my presentation. So let's move on. Terry is my friend. She's from Honduras. I'm from El Salvador. She's 20 years old. I am 20 years old. We are from Central America. We are good friends. Why I don't show more description? Because this is a very basic level class. So I want you to do something basic. So for this presentation is that. So let's move on to work in pair works and do some exercises as a production. So let's move on and let me give you some examples so you can do this and no worries. For example, this, there are two people talking. Hello, I am Miguel. I am from Guatemala. How are you? What is your name? Where are you from? So too many questions, but those are just to get some information from person B. Person B says, I am fine. My name is Juan. I am from Mexico. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where is that lady from? Now I am asking question. Where is that lady from? That lady is from Laos PDR. She is from Laos PDR. So very basic example. So person A says, perfect. So now another example. Miguel is from Mexico. He is very nice. He is my best friend. We are from Latin America. These countries are very friendly. We met a lady from Laos PDR. She is so beautiful. Is Miguel from Canada? Now I am asking questions. No, he's not. Very basic answer. He is not. Remember, negative form. Is Terry from Honduras? Yes, he is. Are you from El Salvador? Yes, I am. So let's move to, sorry. So these are just to do some practice in pair work. So let's do something similar and I can help you out if you will make any mistake. So, okay, thank you very much. If you have any other question, please don't forget to ask me. Don't forget to ask me. That's good. So let's move on. So now you did some production. You got an idea of how you can develop your best skills by using are, is, and am. So it is necessary to do a lot of practice, not always as a very professional because we are in a junior school, high school, I mean. So before we leave the class, I want you to do some other exercises, and those exercises will be from the book. So those exercises have to be done by you at your house. So in this case, you will do exercises number 2 to number 6. So mostly filling up blank spaces. And that is very related to the language we use today. So it is nothing very difficult. It is something very easy if you paid attention to the class. So anytime you wanna do this, it is good to practice with some other people. And something else I want to give you, so you get some idea of how to do practice. You will write down a description of your community, some places, locations, or anything you wanna share with us. And for this, you are required to use at least 100 words, no less than that. So you can do more than 100 words. And this is an example. I am from Amando Lopez community. This is a beautiful place. We are a friendly community. The local clinics is good for people. Water resource is in Amando Lopez. I mean, water is a resource in Amando Lopez. Resources are important for the community. So you will be doing something like this, not something very professional because you are in a basic level. So I am asking to do it in this way. So thank you very much for your class. I will see you next week. So take care and do your best. Thank you.